Is membrane switch just a piece of sheet? Wrong. When you take it apart, there are 6 layers. So how is it assembled? First, positioning holes. How do the 6-layer structure fit together perfectly? These small holes are critical. They allow the layers to get together. Second, graphic overlay. Graphic overlay has good look. We put pattern on it by silk screen printing. It is wear resistant, scratch resistant, and light transmissive. Third, circuits. Here it goes. The upper circuit has contact. The lower circuit has silver lines. The spacer has round holes. Press down buttons to conduct electricity. Fourth, metal domes. They increase tactile feedback. They are under the contact. The clicking sound is all due to them. The conductive glue is applied to fix them firmly. Last, back adhesive. Finally, add a layer of back adhesive. The entire structure is thinner than a credit card, but it can withstand the impact of pressing for 3 years. When we talk about membrane switch, it is a compact component. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.